Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. So I'm starting off with my concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to highlight the places that I want to attract light, the places that I want to glow. So when I'm highlighting, I don't use that much of a highlighter, just a little bit, and I don't do this every day, just when I want my face to be like boom, to be like bomb, to be on fire. When I want to be that girl, I just go on in there, and I'm just highlighting to make sure that I get that glow. And when I'm taking selfies and I want some really good pictures, I highlight as well. So with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that to make sure that I have a smooth finish. So when you're highlighting, just take your time and blend properly and highlight the places where you want to attract light, the places where you want your face to glow for the pictures, if you're going to a party. I'm not really good at voiceover, I'm just trying, so I hope you forgive me if this sounds awkward. And then with my foundation brush, I'm just going to blend that to make sure I don't have any harsh lines there, just to kind of create like a really good finish by the end of it all. And then with my banana powder, setting powder, I'm just going to set that concealer up, and I'm still using my damp beauty blender. Oh, I've used a lot of powder. I don't normally do that, but I'll just make sure it goes out well by the end of it all. The end is really important, the finish part. So I'm just setting the concealer. This just brightens everything up and it helps with the glow. And with my foundation brush, I'm just going to blend that all out. I don't leave it there for any moment, because I am afraid of just the powder being too much there. And then I'm using my Fit Me Maybelline concealer, which is a shade darker, like 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So when you're contouring, you want to use 2 to 3 shades darker to just contour. And then before I even contoured, I'm just contouring some bits on my forehead and also some places on my cheeks, like the middle of my cheeks. What is the name of that place? Oh god. And then I'm using my beauty blender with the setting powder to just create a line underneath where I contoured, to be able to just help me lift my face a little bit. And the cheek, when you do that on the cheekbone, your face kind of looks slimmer, which we all want. And then with the shade on the eyeshadow palette that I showed you, I'm using that to set my contour, the foundation that I used, the Maybelline foundation. So I'm just using a darker shade to contour that. And then with my brush, I'm just going to use my invisible powder to be able to set everything up. My black opal invisible powder. I love this powder. It's for every shade, so it doesn't matter if you're light or darker, you can just use it. And then with my L.A. Girl Pro setting finish powder, I'm just gonna set up on my face now to make sure that I have a really good smooth face. And I'm also highlighting my nose because I didn't do that properly. So with that and highlight and contouring with the same eyeshadow palette, the brown color, it's called even forgot the name, I have to check. The palette I used was Bare Mineral palette, and the shade I used was Foreshadow to contour. Now I'm just doing the rest of my face so I can show you the end the end look. So that's just me going with that. So I'm just gonna let you enjoy watching that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. And if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. I know I'm still new and I'm still learning as I go through and having a lot of fun with you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys. So on the comment section down below, please tell me your thoughts, like and share these videos of mine. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye. I can't I can't stay.